Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower step by step. Those are what you need for today's tutorial. Let's start with the magic circle. I'm going to show you slow version, so make sure you know how to make a magic circle. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over, chain 1. Following, we are going to make 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Yarn over, pull the yarn over 2 loops. As a beginner, I suggest you to put a pin on the first stitch. There's a V and then put a pin in, so you know where to snip stitch and end to join the round. Make a second single crochet, pull the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth. Now I'm going to show you how to count how many stitches you just made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now pull the yarn tight and snip stitch to the first stitch. This is how you do the snip stitch. Insert the hook into where you just had a pin and pull the pin out and snip stitch. And chain 1. Let's start the second round. We make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Don't forget to put a pin to help you when you join around. Two single crochet in the same following stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Following, we just repeat the pattern. 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Because this is for completely beginner, so I just crochet all the way. So we just made 12 single crochet in total. Make a snip stitch to join to the first stitch where the pin is. You can cut off the end if you want. Chain 1, pull the yarn tight and cut the yarn. Following, we are going to change the color for the petal. I'm going to show you how to change the colors. Hold the ends with ring finger and thumb. Insert the hook to the first stitch. Pull the yarn over. Make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice to make a treble crochet to the following stitch. Insert the hook to the following stitch. Pull the yarn over 2 loops. Pull the yarn over 2 loops again. pull the yarn over 2 loops, yarn over hook 2 times again. In the same stitch, we make another triple crochet over 2 loops, second time, third time. So yarn through 2 loops 3 times, chain 5, now snip stitch to the next stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a triple crochet in the following stitch. Another triple crochet in the same stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now snip stitch to the following stitch. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Make a triple crochet to the following stitch. Another triple crochet in the same stitch. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Now snip stitch to the following stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple crochet to the following stitch. So we're just repeating the pattern here. Triple crochet in the same stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snip stitch to the next stitch. We can cut off the end. And chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple crochet in the last stitch. Another triple crochet in the same stitch. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Snip stitch to the following stitch. Chain 5. Triple crochet for the following stitch. Another triple crochet for the same stitch. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. Pull the yarn tight. Cut the yarn. Now I'm going to show you how to weave the end. Turn over and pull the yarn back and forth. You don't have to do exactly the way I do, but just to remember, pull the yarn back and forth so it's not so easy to pull it off. So just pull the yarn left and right. Like that. Cut it off. So this is how you make this beautiful flower. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you learned something today. See you next time.